Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, August the 22nd, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. Need more than 30 minutes to solve. And two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Well, it's binary time, so let's get started with this one. This will be number 5055. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. We have here double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Then. Well, we have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then. Well, I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes. Between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Well. Do I need to compare? I need to compare this column and the last column. Oh, 1. Oh, empty box, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Need to compare again. Double O. Double 1, yeah. Again, this column and that column. 1, empty box. Empty box, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have an O here. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 4 minutes. Wow. Well. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic or Sudoku in Japanese, or in Dutch cijferblok. yeah, with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.